Walls are no longer just structural. They are key design elements that define the style, mood, and luxury of your home. In 2026, modern interiors focus on elegant textures, innovative panels, and statement wall designs that elevate every room. From living rooms to bedrooms, feature walls, and accent panels, the right wall design can completely transform a space. In this video, we'll explore 200 luxury wall design ideas that will inspire you to create stunning interiors in 2026. Luxury wall panels. Wall panels are one of the most popular trends in 2026. They bring texture, depth, and sophistication to your interiors. Materials like wood, MDF, leather, fabric, and 3D textured panels are all trending. Paneling can be applied as a full wall feature, accent behind your TV, or around the bed, creating a modern, elegant, and cohesive look. Layered panels and geometric patterns add a visual rhythm that enhances the space. Statement feature walls. Feature walls are a must in 2026. Bold colors, textured finishes, or artistic designs turn a simple wall into a luxurious focal point. From metallic accents to geometric patterns and minimalist textures, feature walls allow homeowners to express style, personality, and elegance. Pairing feature walls with soft lighting or artwork adds dimension and drama to any room. 3D textured walls. Three-dimensional wall designs are trending for modern interiors. 3D panels, sculpted plaster, or textured laminates create depth and sophistication, making your walls stand out. These designs work well in living rooms, bedrooms, or dining areas, providing a premium, gallery-like feel. Combining neutral tones with 3D textures keeps the design luxurious yet understated. Wood and natural materials. Wood and natural finishes remain timeless in 2026. Vertical or horizontal wooden slats, reclaimed wood panels, or wood-look laminates bring warmth, elegance, and natural charm to your home. Combining wood with lighting or metal accents enhances the modern appeal, creating a luxurious, cozy, and stylish atmosphere. Metallic and mirror accents. Incorporating metallic trims, gold or bronze details, or mirrored panels is a trend in 2026. Metallic accents reflect light and add glamour and sophistication without overwhelming the space. Mirrored walls or sections create the illusion of more space, making interiors feel larger, brighter, and modern. Wallpaper and printed walls. Modern wallpaper in 2026 is high-end and artistic, often featuring subtle textures, metallic details, or abstract patterns. From minimalistic designs to bold statements, wallpapers enhance walls without requiring structural changes. Printed walls and murals are trending for feature walls, adding personality and a luxurious touch to your interiors. Accent lighting for walls. Lighting plays a vital role in modern wall design. LED strips, recessed lights, or spotlights highlight textures, panels, and features, enhancing the overall elegance. In 2026, accent lighting is used to create depth, emphasize wall textures, and make interiors feel warm, inviting, and high-end. Mix and match materials. A key trend in 2026 is mixing materials on walls. Combining wood, metal, fabric, 3D panels, or wallpaper adds contrast and visual interest. This approach allows homeowners to create unique, personalized interiors that are both luxurious and modern. Balancing textures and finishes is essential to maintain harmony and sophistication. Modern color palettes. Color trends for walls in 2026 focus on neutral tones, soft pastels, muted earthy shades, and elegant jewel tones. Accent walls in deep blues, emerald greens, or matte blacks provide drama and luxury, while lighter tones keep spaces airy and calm. Coordinating wall colors with furniture and decor ensures a cohesive and stylish interior. Walls are more than just boundaries. They are the canvas for your home's style and luxury. From textured panels and 3D designs to feature walls, metallic accents, and artistic wallpapers, 2026 trends offer endless possibilities to transform your interiors. For premium wall design ideas, luxury panels, and modern interior solutions, visit fixitdubai.ae. your trusted source for contemporary home decor and high-end interiors. Elevate your home with Fixit Dubai and make every wall a statement of style, elegance, and sophistication in 2026.